Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Inshot application, and for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If we want to remove something from our video, we need to duplicate our video. I'm going to click on it and go to the duplicate option right here. Okay, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. We can click on switch to make it as an overlay like this, and I'm going to make it align with my first video. Okay, and after that I'm going to click on the second video and go to the mask option, and then you're going to choose like the shape of the mask, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Okay, then you can adjust the size according to the text you want to remove, and we can take another part of our video to cover the text, and I'm just going to take this part and we can click on the check mark. Then you can drag the mask to cover your text like that. And then if you're still not satisfied with the result, you can apply filter, or you can do adjustment. You're going to select the adjustment. Where is it? Okay, right here. Go to the folder and then you can select adjust, and I'm going to adjust the lightness, increase the lightness a little bit. Okay, I think it looks better. Okay, and this is the final result. All right. If the text is moving, you can apply keyframe to the mask. You just need to go to your mask, and then you can click on this keyframe to make the mask follow the moving text. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove text from our video using Inshot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.